Alright guys, here's a video of this Hunter Savoy ceiling fan in my hotel room in Mexico. This fan's in white and it has 5 blades. Close the switch cam. And there's the Hunter logo. You can show it by this wall switch here. Switch starts on low speed. It has this like little motor hub. It's a nice low speed. And now we're gonna change it up to medium. And yes, this fan uses a free-space light control. It has a motor hub. And yeah, one of the blades is slightly bent. And I'm gonna change it up to high. This is really powerful, it's also wobbly. And yes, the chain's swinging. Closer. This fan was installed when the hotel got remodeled in 2016. And yeah, we're gonna turn it off now. And here's the light control. Yeah, you can see the slightly bent blades. Thank you for watching. Bye.